morning. Today we're going to talk about what plants need to grow. But first I wanted to look at a real plant. So this is a plant from my home and it's called a bamboo plant. So yesterday we learned about the parts of a flower, right? So let's see if you can name the parts of this plant. So what is this long part called in the middle? Does anyone remember? And this over here. So this is the stem, right? And what about these parts coming out of the stem? The leaves. Now, does this plant have any petals like the flower does? No, this has no petals. And then what is underneath in the pot that you can't see? What are those called that help suck up the water and the food for the plants? Those are called the roots. Good. So we went over the parts of the plant, and now we're going to talk about what does a plant need to grow. So a plant needs 4 different things to grow. Do you want to try to name them first? Let's see if you could take a few guesses. What does a plant need to grow? There's 4 things. Let's see. So the first thing a plant needs to grow is water. So you can do rainwater or you can water from a pot. All plants need lots of water to grow. Next, a plant needs sun. So plants need lots of sunlight to grow taller. Plants also need fresh air to grow. So some plants grow outside and some plants can grow inside your home, but they all need air. And last, a plant needs, what do we plant them in? This is called soil. So we need to plant them in soil. Very good. We plant the seeds in the soil. Great. So let's try to name the 4 things again. First we had water. Then we had sun. And then we have air, good. And then we have soil. So those are the 4 things a plant needs to grow. Okay, great. Now let's take a look over here. This is just showing us how the plant is growing. So it starts in the soil as a tiny seed, right? And then this is called the seed case, and you start to see the roots growing down into the soil. Do we remember what the roots do? Who remembers that? And then the roots keep growing downwards, and upwards pops the stem. And then it opens up a little more, the stem keeps going up, and the roots keep going down. And finally the plant is fully grown. See the stem, the shoot, the leaves, and the roots on the bottom. So those are the steps you see the plant growing. And this plant needed those 4 things to grow. So keep practicing what a plant needs to grow, those 4 things. You could draw them too if you'd like to. Thanks, bye.